So hello everyone, now we're going to be studying about thermal decomposition of monocarboxylic acids. So in this case we have to take a monocarboxylic acids. It's pretty obvious from the heading, and we have taken an example in this case, which is formic acid. Now just know that whenever we are gonna do a thermal decomposition, this is basically representing heat. What's gonna happen is we are gonna get H2O, we are gonna get carbon dioxide, this is water molecule, and alongside that we are gonna get either an aldehyde or a ketone. Now we're gonna see this in this example. You don't have to learn the mechanism again, I'm telling. You just have to know how do we get the answer, because these are long mechanisms that you won't need to need even in universities mainly. Now continuing. Now write both of the acids separately, one below the other. Now I told you before that we are gonna get water and we are gonna get carbon dioxide. Now remove a water molecule and a carbon dioxide from this. What do I mean by that? I'll just show you now. First you have to remove H2O. You see there are two hydrogen bonds here and one oxygen bond. Now we have removed that. Now the next product is CO2. Now you can see simply here one CO2 bond is sitting, and by this you get a CO2. And what is remaining? We get an HCHO bond remaining. Oh, sorry for that. We get HCHO, which is basically an aldehyde. So we have learned how it is done. Now we'll take another example so that we can refine our concepts properly. This time let's take an alkyl group attached to this. Yep, let's take that 2RCOOH. This is basically carboxylic acid group. Now when it is going through thermal decomposition, we know we are gonna get H2O and we are gonna get carbon dioxide. Now write both of them simply and neatly. As soon as you write them, eliminate H2O, eliminate CO2, and write whatever you are remaining. In this case we are remaining with R double bond O. In this case we get a ketone. Whenever we attach an alkyl group we are going to get a ketone. Now I have simply understood how this works. Now let's take an example in which we can get, like, to get your understanding more clear. Example, this time we are going to take two different groups. Let's take HCOH from our first example and then RCOOH from our second example going through thermal decomposition. No matter what, you're gonna get H2O and carbon dioxide, so just write it. Next, the obvious step, HCOH once, RCOH once, eliminate H2O, eliminate CO2, and write what you are remaining. RCH double bond O. In this case we get an aldehyde. I hope you understood well. Thank you.